Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I will show you how to harness the power of ChatGPT to craft an impressive resume. To start, open your browser and navigate to chat.openai.com. Log in if you haven't already. Begin by sharing your personal information, including your full name, birthday, educational background, certificates, and job history. Once you have provided these details, ask ChatGPT to assist you in composing a tailored resume. A simple prompt like, "Could you help me create a professional resume based on the information I have given?" In response, ChatGPT will generate a resume for you. Review the content for accuracy and completeness, making any necessary edits or refinements. Finally, save the generated resume to your device. Make any formatting adjustments, and you are ready to present your polished resume for job applications or other purposes. It's a streamlined process that can save you time and effort, helping you put your best foot forward in your career journey. Give it a try and watch your resume come to life with the help of ChatGPT. That's it. I hope this video helps you out, and see you in the next video.